Hi everyone. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. Carrie Severson here, your unapologetic voice host, with a guest appearance probably by Leia, the Golden Doodle. Anyway, so I'll invite some folks here. It's Monday. We've had a couple of weeks, now 2 full weeks into 2019. I would love to hear how it is supporting you, what you're doing, what you're creating. I know a lot of people came into this week, particularly with all of these intentions and all of these plans, and then hit today and feel a little bit like, what's going on? So there is some like really fun energy happening. I think we have a lot of, there's a lot of support happening underneath the layers, but it will take some time and some dedication to like getting in alignment with that stuff. So that's really what I wanted to talk about today. I have this, I do have an upcoming live masterclass happening January 22nd, called Get in alignment with your unapologetic voice for the year. For the last, I'd say like 2 months, what I've personally been doing is looking at ways in which I can expand my voice, expand my life, expand my expression, while also leaning back and receiving, and really daydreaming about what it is I want to do next. So a lot of what will be unfolding in the live masterclass are tips and techniques I've personally used to feel more aligned with my voice, and then looking at your goals and figuring out an action plan and an in-action plan that will support you as you achieve those goals. So let me talk about those 2 things. There's a lot of conversation in the online world about action versus aligned action. I personally believe in aligned action. I think there's a huge difference between being busy and being smart, being busy and being productive. I've done the busy thing. I've done the thing where I just get a bunch of crap done and then the next day feel like I have to completely reinvent the wheel to get my momentum going. That led to burnout. I don't do that anymore. That's my personal experience. I believe in aligned action that helps me fulfill my purpose and mission in life, puts me on, moves me one step forward on my divine path, and that lights me up, that fills me up, that overflows my cup, that excites me, and that makes me feel like I'm living an aligned life, and I prefer that. So I use aligned action, and a lot of aligned action has come for me from the place of daydreaming, manifestation, meditation, energy sessions, listening to my higher self tell me where to go, what to do, what would be of service, talking to my clients. And then there's a lot of communication, or a lot of like talk in the world about doing versus being, or masculine versus feminine. So for the last several months, I've been, for the last several months, I've been playing in the idea of, or really working with this masculine versus feminine energy and finding the balance between the 2. So action, aligned action versus inaction, for me is more like balancing the energy of masculine and feminine. And for me, inaction is how I feel at my creative tank. It is coloring, it's dancing, it's those kinds of things, because that moves me into the feminine energy. The masculine energy for me is, putting my masterclasses on my member vault, promoting my member vault, giving you an opportunity to enroll, things like that. So, getting aligned with your unapologetic voice does require both masculine and feminine energy, both aligned action and inaction. And I'm so excited to lead this class because the idea of expression doesn't just happen in these big boastful bubbles. It's not just you getting published. It's not just you writing a book. It's not just you on stage. It's you in alignment every single day, using your voice, expressing yourself out in the world and everything you do, and how you wear your hair, and what you wear, and how you express yourself to your loved ones, and how you treat your body, and what you cook. It's everything. And this is it's a really light, fun, energetic class. And it's $97. It's going to be 90 minutes. It's going to be a really, creative take on Zoom. It does start at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I know a lot of you have asked me questions about, you've got kid drop-off happening and school drop-off. If you can't get on until until 8:30, it will be okay, because what I'll do is I'll start the class with a little intro, and then probably by 8:15 we'll do a meditation session to open you up, and we'll probably get to work on your line plan by 8:30. So we'll have an hour, and I'll close it with an energy session at the end. So it'll be a really fun, expressive experience. The link it's actually in the event section of this group, but it's also on my website. If you want to go over there, you can join. But be sure to tune in today. Figure out what you can do to stay in alignment with your voice today, this week. Is it smiling? Is it saying hello to people? Is it dancing? Is it going for a hike? Is it getting online and doing something? Today, for me personally, I had a huge meditation energy session, both before I came on. Had some breakthrough, did some crying and releasing and laughing. I've gone for a hike already. I've journaled already. I've had a conversation with my journal with myself. I did my self checklist, and I'm on my way to get acupuncture done. And we'll spend some time uploading materials to my member vault so that I can help more people around the world create things like funnels and, expression and pitching editors and things. So anyway, that is what I wanted to share today. Get in alignment with your unapologetic voice every single day. Start fresh, start early. Create your list of aligned action and inaction items. And join me on the 22nd for a fun, interactive class. I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.